days away from unsubscribing from this channel. I liked this channel when it made serious content about Apple, but now it has become kind of a silly comedy channel that bullies Apple fans.
I would like to apologize for not taking this seriously. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a serious MacBook Pro unboxing. Let's begin. This is one serious Mac. But why is it running Ventura? It's probably because I got the 8 gigs of RAM. Dang it! Let's begin.